Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay. Let's start my own lesson for today, girls. But before starting my own lesson for today, let me ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me, girls, what is the day today? Today is what? Today is girls Wednesday. Again, today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Again, today is Wednesday. Wednesday. And the date is 13 to 1442 after Hijrah. 13 to 1442 after Hijrah. So today is Wednesday and the date is 13 to 1442 after Hijrah. Now, I want you to open your notebook in the handwriting section, girls. Open your notebook, write the day with the date, and copy this song in your notebook, please, girls. Copy this song in your notebook. Write it only one time. Okay? Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today, girls. Define an imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command or a request to do something. Again, define an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command or a request to do something. Now write 5 imperative sentences. Open the door. Wash your hands every day. Brush your teeth. Do your homework. Help your mother. These are 5 sentences using the imperative. Number 3. What is the plural of the word fish? The plural of fish is fish, the same. Knife, knives, person, people. Okay, now let's start my own lesson for today, which is lesson 3 in Unit 2, girls. And it's about my body, as you know. Page number 16 and 17. Page number 16 and 17. Now let's start by the articles. What do I mean by articles? The articles are a and an. When can I use a and when can I use an? Of course, you should use these articles if the word is singular. If the word is singular, you should use a or an. And you can use an if the word is singular and if the word starts with a vowel. Okay, what are the vowels letters, girls? We have A, E, I, O, U. This is the face, girls. O, E, A, I, and U. If the word is singular and if the word starts with these letters, these 5 letters, you should use an. Okay, girls? And if the word starts with consonants letter like K, M, N, L, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So you should use the article A. Okay? You should use the article A. Okay, girls? Now, let's see. Use either A or an. Use either A or an. Number 1. I ate apple yesterday. Here we have the word apple. Apple here is singular, right? So, the first letter in the word apple is what? A. A is a vowel, so I should use an. I ate an apple yesterday. I like egg. We have the word egg. The first letter in the word egg is E. E is a vowel, so I should use an. I like an egg. 3. I have book in my bag. We have the word book. The first letter in the word book is B, and B is a consonant letter, so I should use A. I have a book in my bag. Number 4, it is, then space window. What is the first letter in the word window? The first letter is W, so it's a consonant, so I should use A. It's a window. Okay, girls? Now we have verb to be. Verb to be. We have am, as, and are. We have verbs to be, girls. We have verbs to be, girls, here. We have verbs to be am, as, and are. Again, am, as, and are. When can I use am? If the personal pronoun is I am. When can I use as? If the personal pronoun are, she, he, it. When can I use are? With they are. We are and you are. Again, I am, she is, he is, it is. They are, we are, and you are. Okay, when I say Amal, Amal is singular, right? So Amal is. When I say Amal and Sarah are. Okay, girls? Now, use either as, am, or are. Number one, she a good student. She is a good student. 2. They are good students. 3. I am a beautiful girl. 4. We are studying English now. We are studying English now. So, I am, she is, he is, it is. They are, we are, they are. Okay? Now, what can you see in this picture, girls? I can see a classroom. I can see a classroom. Let's spell the word classroom together. Classroom. Classroom. I can see a classroom. Okay, now, how many chairs can you see in this classroom? How many chairs can you see in this classroom, girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. I can see 11 chairs. I can see 11 chairs. I can see 11 chairs. Now, I want you to give instruction to the students. What do I mean by instructions? I mean orders. I mean like imperative sentences, girls. Give instructions like open the door, close the window, do your homework, help your mother. These are instructions. These are orders, girls. Now here, sit down, please. Sit down, please. This is an instruction. Okay? Sit down, please. Here, close the door, please. Close the door, please. Here, sit down, please. Here, stand up, please. Stand up, please. Here, make a circle, please. Or please make a circle. Here, please make a line. Please make a line. So, write 5 instructions, girls. Number 1, please make a line. 2, please make a circle. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Do your homework, please. Okay? These are instructions. Okay, girls? These are orders. Now, قال تعالى: يا أيها الذين آمنوا أطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول وأولي الأمر منكم. If I ask you, girls, what did you understand from this ayah? You should say, I have to obey my God and my Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and my King Salman. Okay, girls? Now, open your books, please, girls. Open your books. Page number. Open your books. Page number 16 and 17. And listen now. Listen, please, girls.
Words. Exercise 1. Listen and point. 1. Please stand up. Please stand up. 2. Please come to the front. Please come to the front. 3. Please make a line. Please make a line. 4. Please make a circle. Please make a circle. 5. Please go back to your seat. Please go back to your seat. 6. Please sit down. Please sit down.
Okay, now, number 1, please stand up. 1. Please stand up. 2. Please come to the front. 2. Please come to the front. 3. Please make a line. 3. Please make a line. 4. Please make a circle. 4. Please make a circle. 5. Please go back to your seat. 5. Please go back to your seat. 6. Please sit down. 6. Please sit down. Okay, girls? Now, we have fun time. Please give instructions to your partner. We can do this exercise, girls, together in our virtual classroom. Now, I want you to open your activity book. Open your activity book, girls. You should write the day and the date here also. Page number 75 and 76. Okay? Now, listen, please.
Hi, how are you? Are you ready for goal 13? Good. Let's start. I can do 3 classroom actions. Exercise 1. Listen and practice. Do the actions. Please stand up. Please make a line. Please sit down. Please stand up. Please make a circle. Please sit down. Please make a circle. Great! You did it! Now trace the light gray words. Then do exercise 2.
Okay, girls. Now, I want you to trace the gray words here. Please stand up. Please stand up. Please make a line. Please sit down. Then trace and write letter M. Trace and write letter M. Now, let's see page number 76. Page number 76. Goal 14.
Are you ready for goal 14? Good. Let's start. I can give 2 classroom instructions to a friend. Exercise 1. Listen and practice. Do the actions.
Please stand up. Please come to the front. Please make a line. Please make a circle.
Great! You did it! Now trace the light gray words. Then do exercise 2. Trace and write.
Okay, girls, here I want you to trace the gray words. Please stand up. Please come to the front. Then trace and write letter M. Okay, girls, this is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls.